Many of you have received an email today, or you will receive in future, regarding automatic renewal of pre-settled status and settled status. What does it mean? And when and what circumstance the Home Office will renew it automatically without any application? Does it mean you don't need to make any application for settled status? Number one. Secondly, I'll give you an update regarding how does absence from the UK will impact or affect your pre-settled or settled status in the future, whether in automatic renewal or by an application. Now, many people received an automatic email today from the Home Office regarding automatic renewal of the pre-settled status. So I gave an update, I think last week, regarding automatic renewal. So basically, from following a decision of from the court that the EU settlement scheme make an EU nationals unlawful unless they made an application to the Home Office to extend for a settled status after expire of their pre-settled status. That immigration rules is unlawful. Accordingly, the Home Office update their rules. And now what the Home Office update is, they are saying that they will issue they will renew the pre-settled status holder automatically for 2 years from September 2023. And after the 2 years, if their system, their own, the Home Office, the Department, DWP, HMRC, the internal check confirm the presence of EU nationals, they will give them a settled status automatically. They will upgrade the pre-settled status into a settled status. That is what the Home Office has updated their immigration rules and policy guidelines. So those who are living in the UK, working, paying a national insurance number or claiming benefit, they are safe. They will get a pre-settled status, and automatically this will be upgraded to settled status in future as soon as the internal check confirm their presence in the UK. However, we do appreciate to make an application for the settled status rather than wait for a automatic renewal, because as soon as you get settled status or British nationality, you are safe. Now, many people who get a pre-settled status and then they left the UK, or some people is coming and going to outside the UK. So if you decided to go, or if you live in the UK outside, how many days you can go and how it will impact your immigration status? Well, you can stay outside the UK up to 6 months within same 12-month consecutive period. So if within a 12-month, which is continuously, if you stay outside the UK less than 6 months altogether, then you will have no issue. However, if you say, for example, left UK for the first 6 months and then you come back and then again you go, because you are maintaining the rule that you are coming back within the 6 months, that is wrong, because it's within the consecutive 12 months altogether. You can't be absent more than 6 months. So that is the tricky point. Many people has made, doing these mistakes. So if that is to be the case, you will not get a automatic pre-settled status and settled status, because Home Office will only upgrade the status those who basically are in the UK working and they are claiming benefit. Their system will recognize their presence using your national insurance number, or your name, your details, your date of birth. They will check in their internal system, and the system will confirm your presence, and accordingly, probably you will be automatically renewed to pre-settled status or settled status. Now, what will happen if you are not qualified because you were absent? If you don't get pre-settled status automatically, your settled status, I do appreciate even if you get automatically, but still it is safe to apply. You can apply. However, if you are not qualified for settled status, then more likely you will get again pre-settled status because you're under the older immigration rules, where if you will qualified for settled status if you not absent for more than 6 months. Now there are exceptions. The exception is if you for example, if you absence in the UK for an important reason, which is basically beyond your control, such as, for example, for work, for study, or for any COVID, if you be due to the the travel restriction, you can't travel. So during the COVID, many people fail to return in the UK. So there are some exception. If you stay outside the UK because of this reason, the Home Office will take into account. However, if that exception is not applied to you, then unlikely you will secure a settled status. But of course, currently the Home Office, the rules is that they will automatically renew if the automatic check confirm your presence in the UK. So those who receive the email, I hope and you understand the reason why you received this email, just to confirm you that you will not be an overstayer or unlawful if you do not apply for settled or pre-settled status. Many people will forget to make an application on time. From my experience, many people still even that didn't apply for pre-settled or settled status. I have received even an instruction today. Like this, many people will forget what is pre-settled status, whether they got pre-settled or settled status. Many people just applied and they don't know whether they've been granted or not even. So these types of, there are some people who will be affected. So keep your eyes and check your immigration status by login. You can check by yourself. Just give your login details or passport, date of birth, and you can check your immigration status, whether you've been pre-settled or settled. If you think that you are in the UK for longer than 5 years and the system check confirm pre-settled status, you can ask the Home Office, contact with the EU settlement scheme, or you can make an application for settled status and upgrade your status. This is for today. Thank you very much, all of you who are watching this video.